Hi everyone, today I wanted to showcase the gorgeous Memories in Bloom papers from Stampin' Up. My name's Faye and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. As you can see, I've already started to use these gorgeous papers. These would be great for scrapbooking or card making or other paper craft projects. So let's take a look at what's in the folder. I have two things inside my folder. Firstly, I have the set of Florals in Bloom Designer Series patterned paper. I chose to get the set that came with the additional sticker sheet for scrapbooking. Isn't this just gorgeous? We've got large floral blooms and words to be added to our scrapbooking layouts, and I cannot wait to get creative with this. I love the way that Stampin' Up lists out the colours used in the Designer Series paper on the back of the packet. This means that you can coordinate your pattern paper with your solid papers. In addition to the pattern paper, I bought the set of Two-Tone Cardstock. This 12 by 12 cardstock comes with various colours, and in those colours you have the same colour in two different tones. This can be great if you want to use a brighter or paler version of a coordinating colour with your cardstock. Included in the pack of solid papers, we have Darling Duckling, which is a new in colour, the brighter yellow and the paler yellow side. We have Granny Apple Green, which is one of my all-time favourites, a gorgeous dark green, or the paler colour side. There they are comparatively together. We then have Petunia Pop, another favourite of mine, an absolutely gorgeous purpley pink shade. This is Petunia Pop. Again, the dark pink and then the paler pink on the other side. We then have Secret Sea. This dark navy colour can add a beautiful contrast to any project. And again, we have the dark side and the paler side. The paler side looks more grey, so I would probably describe this as sort of a navy grey, dark and moody. We then have Summer Splash, a beautiful bright greeny teal colour. Again, two-tone cardstock. And then we have Timid Tiger, a gorgeous orange. Look at the brightness on that side. And then we have the paler colour side. Absolutely stunning papers. I really do like the two-tone cardstocks because they give you options when creating. You could put the bright side and the bright side together. You could do pale and bright. You could do pale and pale, pale and bright. The options really are endless and it's entirely up to you. So I absolutely adore using those. Going back to our Florals in Bloom Designer Series paper. There are some stunning papers in this pack, and as you can see, I've already started to use them. So this is the first paper. We have two of each type of paper, and they use the same colours that are in our two-tone cardstock, so they coordinate beautifully together. So that's the first piece. Then we have this one, got gorgeous red in there. That's our Darling Duckling, that's our Timid Tiger. Compare that together with the Summer Splash, picking out the blue in the leaves, the Granny Apple Green, absolutely stunning. And there's the second side. So if you've got somebody who's not into floral cards, then you could also use these papers. because they have non-florals on some of them. I think this one is probably my favourite. I really like the deep, rich colours that are in this. And of course, it's featuring my beloved Petunia Pop and Granny Apple Green. Really, really lovely. Definitely want to save one of these full pages for a scrapbooking layout. And then on the other side, again, it's not floral. So many possibilities of how to use that. We then have this piece, blues and oranges together. I love the way the leaves in this have been done in the dark blue, so there's no actual true green in this layout. And then we have gorgeous, gorgeous pink on the back. Again, this will be an absolutely great piece for a scrapbooking project. And then we have this one, absolutely stunning. And I actually think that you could pair this with the Timid Tiger, or of course my favourite, the Granny Apple Green. Picks up the pinks in there absolutely beautifully. On the back of this one, we just have some plain blue lines, but again, absolutely perfect for scrapbooking, or if you needed to make a card for somebody who's perhaps not so into florals, this would be a great backing piece. And then last but not least, we have this piece. Again, I love this. You've got pink, a little bit of red, green on the leaves, and then the reverse of this piece is this. I actually used this for a card recently because it's a nice small pattern, so it can be used as a backing panel. Here is the card that I was able to make with this piece of paper. So really nice. I paired that with the paler side of the Granny Apple Green and the paler side of Pool Party, which isn't part of this pack, but is another two-tone cardstock. So really are so many options of how to use this paper pack. And of course, you don't have to use all items from this paper pack. You can compare it with others, or you can mix and match within this pack, picking out your favourite colours, picking out the favourite colours of the person who the card is for. We've got Timid Tiger and Darling Duckling in here, but actually I would always try and add some of my favourite Granny Apple Green in there, but perhaps the paler side would be better for this card for a more subtle outlook. So there we go. That's the Memories in Bloom and Florals in Bloom Scrapbooking and Designer Series paper suite. If you did have a catalogue, then you can find either the Scrapbooking Workshop Kit on page 15 of the 2025 to 2026 annual catalogue. That comes with some two-tone cardstock, the patterned paper, a different sheet of stickers, and the sheet of stickers I have got. Or you are able to get, I will just need to find the page. You are able to get from the Florals in Bloom Suite Collection, which starts on page 40. And this is where you will find the patterned papers, designer series paper that I purchased. And if you wanted to get the sticker sheet as well, that would be £16. And then there is the coordinating two-tone cardstock pack, which is also in here somewhere. There's the Florals in Bloom, again, the gorgeous designer series paper on page 117. And somewhere in here is the set of two-tone cardstock. If you didn't have an annual catalogue yet and you did want one to have a flick through with a hot drink of your choice and you're based in the UK, then please comment below this video or send me a message and I can arrange to send a catalogue out to you for you to have a look through at your leisure. I'm not going to be able to find the page I want now, but trust me when I say that the Two-Tone Cardstock, the Memories in Bloom Two-Tone Cardstock is also available in the annual catalogue or through the website. Check out the link in my bio if you want to visit my Stampin' Up site 24 hours a day, or please feel free to send me a message. Thanks for watching. Bye!